this is Priyanka and welcome to Shubhanjali's YouTube channel where we explore the fascinating world of crystals. In today's video, we are going to discover the enchanting realm of crystal eggs. Today in Crystal Eggs, we are going to talk about what is a crystal egg and what does the shape represent? What are the properties of egg-shaped crystals? How are crystal eggs used? And the fourth one is crystal eggs in different stones and their properties. So let's begin. We'll start with what is a crystal egg and what does the shape represent? The crystal egg is a polished egg-shaped crystal which can be made out of different types of stones and crystals. What does the shape represent? The shape represents new beginnings, emergence of a new life, cycle of rebirth, fertility, potential of growth, transformation, renewal, and evolution. Now, let's begin with the properties of egg-shaped crystal. The first one is symbolism of a new beginning. Eggs represent a new life and it symbolizes the potential of growth, transformation, and new opportunities. Working with egg-shaped crystals for an individual, it can help you in releasing the old patterns and energies. It will also help you in embracing new beginnings in your life. The next one is harmonizing of energy. The smooth, round shape of the egg-shaped crystals allows energy to flow freely and evenly across in your space. It can create a harmonious environment and which is extremely conducive for relaxation and healing. The next one is protection and shielding. Don't you think the egg shape represents a protective shell? How the egg shell protects and nurtures the new life? Similarly, it will help you in creating a shield and protection around you. It will create a protective energy shield around you or your space and help you in keeping the negative influences away. Also, the psychic attacks and harmful energies way away. The next one is fertility and creativity. The egg shape also symbolizes fertility and creativity. It represents the potential for a new growth and also for new creation. It can help you in tapping into your creative potential, stimulate the imagination, and inspire new ideas. It can also encourage fertility, supporting the manifestation and goals and desires. The next is spiritual growth and transformation. Eggs help individuals release old patterns and beliefs which no longer serve at their highest good. It also symbolizes the process of spiritual rebirth and evolution, encouraging individuals to embrace change, let go of your attachments, and awaken to their highest potential. The next is emotional healing. Emotional healing is a gentle and a nurturing energy which we get from egg-shaped crystals. It will help you in getting inner peace, it will promote self-love, acceptance, and it will restore your emotional balance and harmony. The next topic is how do you use these crystal eggs? Crystal eggs can be used to meditate. You can put them between your arms, close your eyes and meditate and manifest what you really desire out of them. The next one is that you can keep them as decor pieces. Because they have a very soft energy, it will help you in spreading a very good environment in your space. Other benefit is that you can use them like massage tools. The edges of the eggs are really round and smooth. They can be used to remove the stress nodes from the smaller points and the larger area can be used to massage in the larger portions. And the last one is that you can use the eggs as yoni eggs. There are different ways in which you will find on the internet how to use yoni eggs as well, but we do not recommend you to do that. The crystal eggs can be formed in various types of crystals and can be used as per their manifestations. I will be explaining a few of the crystal eggs that we have at Shubhanjali store and a little bit of the benefit that you get from those. The first one is the clear quartz egg. The clear quartz stone is a great stone which will help you in amplifying your energy. It promotes clarity of mind, increases focus, and also harmonizes the aura. So you can use the clear quartz egg for these benefits. The next one is the amethyst egg. Amethyst is a great stone which enhances your spiritual awareness. it purifies your negative energies and also promotes tranquility. So for good peace of mind, you can use the amethyst egg.
The next crystal is rose quartz.
Rose quartz, as we know, is a stone for love, compassion. It also encourages emotional healing. So whenever you are planning to start a new relationship, that is a budding relationship, try using it with crystal eggs. And the fourth one is obsidian crystal eggs. Obsidian helps you in protecting you from negative energies, and it creates a shield around you just like how an egg does. So you can use the obsidian egg for protection. So here were all the different types of crystal eggs and the different benefits of the shape and how do you use them. Which one is your favorite crystal egg? Have you tried using an egg? Do let us know in the comments below which egg have you used and how does it help you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more enlightening content on crystals and spirituality. At Shubhanjali Store, we have eggs in different types of crystals. For buying them, you can definitely go to our website www.shubhanjalistore.com, or you can call on the below mentioned numbers and talk to our executives for more information about it. Thank you so much.